Hi everybody. So today we're going to be measuring volume, and in order to measure volume we're going to use two tools. We're going to use a graduated cylinder, that's the tall skinny one, and a beaker. This is kind of the short, more rounded one or wider one. And the way that the measurements on the graduated cylinder work are like this. Let me find it here. There we go. So you can see there's big numbers here. We've got 10, 20, 30, 40, and it goes all the way up to 100, okay? In between each line, there's little lines. So from 10, you would go 11, 12, 13, 14, and then the bigger line will represent the fives, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then the big line again is 20. If you wanted to measure like 35 milliliters, you would find the 10, you go 10, 20, 30, and then you would count up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you would pour whatever you're pouring up to that line, and that would be measuring 35 milliliters. So I'm gonna show you how I find the best way to do it is. So when I'm measuring, I actually like to get low and look at it straight on like this. If I look at it like this, I can't really see the measurements. So I turn the measurements towards me. And then I find the line I wanna measure it up to, which I wanted to measure to 35. So I find 30 and I count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know that I'm pouring it to there. Then I'm gonna use my left hand to hold the graduated cylinder and my right hand to pour. Now that's because I'm right-handed. If you're left-handed, I would probably switch it and use your right hand to hold it and your left hand to pour. But I'm right-handed, so I'm gonna do it this way. And then I rest sort of the beaker here at the top of the graduated cylinder. I'm gonna pour out of this little point because that makes it easier. And then as I pour, I watch the green water and until it gets up to 35 milliliters. When it gets to 35, then I am done pouring it. And I would record this in my science notebook. And then when I'm ready to do the next pour, I would dump it out and I would start again. If you spill water, it's really not a big deal. Just get a paper towel and clean it up and keep going, okay? Have fun.